More American Graffiti. How cool is that, huh? Found that record at a shop. Anyway, working on both the big reds, ginger and whatever. Always just called that one the big red. I got carb kits. I got this one a new brake handle. I'm gonna put the wife. I'm going riding this weekend, bringing the wife for like the first time, I think, and we've known each other for umpteen years. But yeah, I put a new brake cable on that, new front brakes, front and rear, new brake handle. Wish I had a new boot, man. Gosh darn it. But that thing's ready to go for that. Right now, the carb's doing great. This thing runs great. It's a great shifting machine. It's a good machine. It's had a better life than my 87, that's for sure. But my 87's had more love from me. I got 2 new carb kits. So one for her, one for her. This one is leaking its gas. So I'm gonna pull the carbs, and they say to buff the needle seats on the float, because even if you put a new carb kit in it, they'll still leak. It's just that seats, gotten pitted or whatever during its life. Yeah, so I got a bunch of crap to do today, and I'll maybe upload a video of trying to buff out one of these seats if I can figure out a way to mount my camera somewhere or my phone. But yeah, that's the big deal. I did have to take the shaft out of the brake assembly because it was, stiff at like 2 and 4, but it would let loose, at noon, pretty much. And it was just horrible, so I had to take it out, and it was just all gunked up. So now that's all free, everything's feeling good. I didn't order a bottom brake cable. So yeah, I'm just trying to get these girls ready for this ride. We're going to go back out to Heartland Lodge. I ain't been there for 2 years. I've pretty much given up on the 70s, both of them not giving me any spark. I'm just like, and it's maddening enough with one. So, but I need to get that one going at least. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do that. So yeah, all right. Well, there's a little update, and hopefully have some more videos coming here soon for you guys. Later.